Krishna International School, Sector 46, and today I am going to be talking about my smart bin. This bin can automatically segregate dry and wet waste. But what is the need of segregating dry and wet waste? The need for segregating dry and wet waste is that when dry and wet waste mixes, it forms a chemical called leachate, and leachate is really harmful to the soil and it prevents any plants and earthworms from being in that same soil. But this device can sort dry and wet waste based on the principle that water conducts electricity and fruit peels and every wet waste has water. There are two plates on this device. One plate has current running through it and the other doesn't. When you put wet waste on top of this, the current, because of the water content in the wet waste, goes from one plate to the other, which is then detected by the voltage sensor in the back, which then informs the Arduino about how much current is flowing through, and the Arduino moves the servo motor accordingly to put the wet waste in the wet waste and the dry waste in the dry waste. Here I have a plastic block which should go in the dry waste. As you can see, it went in the dry waste. Here I am taking an orange peel. This should go in the wet waste. This went in the wet waste. Thank you Raspberry Pi Foundation for giving me a chance to create such an awesome project.